Today's repair before I go on my holiday bobs. Snap the spring, fuck the shotter, look at the state of that. New top mount, new bearings, new leg suspension, and I've just realised there's a snap spring, so yep, gotta go on a fucking mission to get one of these before I can put it back on the bitch before I go away. Yeah, love it. New spring back in, new shock, new top mount, new bearings. Let's get it back inside. Come on. Back in, installed, job's done. Don't smash around her. Yeah. Roll on the next curve.